a what's in my mail. You guys seem to love these videos, so I thought I'll show you another what's in my mail. So for all those of you who don't know what a what's in a mail video is, it's basically whatever I've received through PRs and stuff like that I showed you guys that, you know, this is what I've received. A lot of companies have this practice of sending out new launches and stuff like that for people to try it out. It is not in any way paid. I'm not supposed to, or I'm not obliged to show this to you. I'm just showing this to you because, you know, sometimes I might not think I want to do a review on something, but you guys might be interested in, you know, seeing a review, so we can be like on the same page when I show you guys whatever is there in what's my mail. Do I make sense? Comment yes if I make sense. So yes, the first thing that I received was from Clinique, and now Clinique launched their Pop Matte lipsticks. The lipstick is like, one of them did not fit in the box. The box is very pretty, so when you open it up, there is music as well, if you can hear that. So one of them fits inside but the other one doesn't. I don't know why. There's some malfunction in the box, I guess. I'll just switch off the music now. The two colors that I received are Black Licorice Pop and Petal Pop. These are what they look like. These are not completely matte, but they are like semi-matte or satin matte as to say, but they're really comfortable in wearing on your lips. Continuing with more liquid lipsticks, I got all of the new Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipsticks. I've already done a review on them, so I would link that in the bottom bar for you guys, but I'm going to quickly run you through the lipsticks so that you guys know what the shades are. So there is a number 1 Brazen Raisin, then there is number 2 Brink of Pink, then we have number 3 Tan Fan, then we have number 4 Plum Yum, then there's number 5 Rust Lust, then there is number 6 Tangerine Queen, number 7 Rethink Pink, number 8 Wine and Shine, number 9 Sauve Mauve, and number 10 Drop Dead Red. So those are all of the sugar liquid lipsticks. Then Team Lakme sent over a birthday gift to me wrapped in this cute wrapping paper which has elephants all over it. This was sent over by Tanisha and Yashodhara from Team Lakme. You guys know I love you both to bits. Those two are like real good people, okay? Alright, so I'm going to show you what all did they send in. So the first thing that I see here is this Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Serum. I already have this. I think my mom is using it, but we have that. Then they sent in chocolates as well. So these are the 2 chocolates that they sent me. These are the Dairy Milk Fruit and Nut chocolates. Although I don't like raisins, but I'm really grateful for the fact that you sent in chocolates. It really made my day. Then they sent in these Lakme Illuminating Eyeshadow Palettes, 2 of them. So the first one is, what are you? This is silver and this is gold, I think. I believe I already have gold. I don't have the silver one, so that's a yay for me. Then they sent in these Lakme Absolute Sun-Kissed Bronzer as well as Illuminating Shimmer Brick. I already have both of these, but I'm still so happy that I have these now again in my kitty. Then I have this Lakme Iconic Kajal. I have this one as well. I really like this Kajal as well. Then we have the Lakme CC Cream. I already have this. I haven't tried it out. I still have to try it out. But yes, I will now for sure try it out. And then they sent in this Weightless Mousse. One is in the shade Burgundy Lush, which I already have, and the other one is in the shade Crimson Silk, which I will definitely try out. That is everything Team Lakme sent in. Then Forest Essential also sent in a love package to my way. The first thing I have is the Tejasvi Emulsion. This is how it looks like. This is a very fancy product. It has ghee and everything of those sorts, and it looks really nice. I really like Forest Essentials packing. It feels really luxurious, to be very honest with you guys. Then I have this Velvet Silk Body Cream. This is the Vitamin E variant. I really like the fragrance of this, and it's very moisturizing. I've tried it already and it's really, you know, very intensely moisturizing. And then lastly, they sent in this Sanjeevani Beauty Elixir. Again, I really like the packaging. This is actually a award winner, Geo Spa Asia Spa award winner, and this is like a beauty elixir which you can use before your makeup as well as a primer, and this is what it looks like. It is similarly packaged like the emulsion, but obviously the color coding and the print are different, so we got that from Forest Essential. Then Natio also sent in some goodies. So the first thing they sent in was this contour kit. I already have tried this out and I really like the contour kit, and plus the fact it comes with its own brush is really nice, so I got that. Then I got their newly launched beauty blender or beauty sponge. This is called the Complexion Perfection Foundation Sponge. So I'm really excited to try this out. I haven't still tried it out. I will tell you what all I've tried out as I go. So yeah. And then they sent in this Line and Wrinkle Silky Shea Miracle Face Oil. So yes, they sent in this. It reminds me I'm turning old, so I have to start taking care of my skin earlier because I have dry skin type, and dry skin tends to develop wrinkles, you know, more quickly than oilier skin type, so gotta work on this skin. Then Kaya also sent in a birthday gift. This is actually a calendar. It also says happy birthday to the beautiful you on this butter paper right here, and then you have this calendar which you can like take photographs out of, and then you change the month. I think it's pretty damn cute and I really like it. Thanks Kaya for wishing me a birthday. Then I got this big box from Kama Ayurveda, and let's see what's inside. So first thing I see is this beautiful gift box, and it has 4 products inside. Let me open it for you guys. So Karma Ayurveda actually launched its new candle in collaboration with Palladio Cafe in Jaipur. The candle smells divine. I'll just show it to you in a minute. So this is what the gift box looks like from the inside. So we have the Sanobar hair cleanser, then we have the Sanobar hair conditioner, we have the Sanobar body cleanser, and the Sanobar body moisture lotion. So we have that in this gift box. I really like this gift box. I feel it's a perfect gifting idea for people, and I feel it's like totally worth the money, and it looks pretty, so you know, why not. And then coming to the main part, the candle. This is the Kama Ayurveda Cafe Palladio candle. Again, I wish there was a smell feature on YouTube, because if you could smell this, you would die. Like, this smells so beautiful. This is what it looks like, this tiny jar, and it heaven. This smells beautiful, beyond beautiful, guys. Like, this is extremely beautiful. I'm not even kidding you, because you guys know I'm a fragrance person. If something doesn't have good fragrance, it's not my thing. This is right up my alley. And then they sent in this Orange Pure Essential Oil, which is like for aromatherapy. And obviously, if they've sent this in, they had to send in the diffuser as well. I'll open it. I haven't seen it myself as well. So the diffuser looks like this. Oh, it's a pretty diffuser. It almost looks like it has jharokas in it. It's a very pretty diffuser, and it's ceramic. So we have that in the Kama Ayurveda box. And lastly, I got some cute little goodies from the Stylish Homes. It's an Instagram page. I will leave a link in the bottom bar for you guys. So the first thing they sent in is actually a lip-shaped room mat. I'm gonna just open it up for you guys because I haven't opened it up yet. So this is what it looks like. I hope it can fit in the frame. This is what it looks like. It's really cute. I really find it really cute. I really find it really cute. Yeah, I just insulted beatbox community worldwide. Then they sent in these 2 pouches. One of them says, I always feel Instagram pretty, and the other one says, my business is my boyfriend. Both of them are like so true. I can't even with them. Then they sent in this cushion cover which says, blogging badass. Again, so true. And lastly, they sent in this bath mat or bathroom mat which says flawless, and it's pink. It is so pretty. I hope you can see that. It says flawless right there. So cute. They have really cute stuff, guys. You must check them out once. So yeah, that is everything I got in my mail over the past week or 2. I believe I did not forget anything out. If I did, it would be coming up pretty soon. But yes, if you want me to review any other things than the sugar liquid lipsticks, which I've already reviewed, then do let me know. And so So yes, with that I finished what's in my mail. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, then don't forget to comment and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And also do let me know which other videos you guys would like to see, because I love to do whatever you guys would like to see. And I will see you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.